Hi, I'm Anna Goulet Zimmerman, and I'm one of the partners here at the Law Office of Manning and Zimmerman. I handle all of our family law matters. This includes divorces, military divorces, collaborative matters, parenting petitions, post-divorce modifications, things of that nature. Often we have people who call who want to know what's the divorce process, what should I be doing if I'm thinking about getting a divorce, what the process entails. In most cases, there's a little bit of time. And what's important is to kind of gather as much of your financial information as you can. Do you have a house? What's your mortgage? What credit card debts do you have? What are the accounts owed for cars, other loans, student loans, things of that nature? It's also not the time to be taking on new debt. You don't want to jointly buy a vehicle, refinance a house. This is because often at the end of a divorce process, the person who gets a car needs to refinance it to remove the other party's name. The more debt you have, the more difficult that can be if it's joint and if there isn't equity to allow parties to do that. It's also important to talk to your spouse. If you and your spouse are able to talk about the divorce, it's helpful to talk about general big picture ideas. Who wants to keep the house? And maybe you both do, but that's good to know. If you've got children, are you in agreement that you're going to have a shared parenting plan, or does one of you want primary? And if somebody's going to have primary, then how does the other party feel about that? Again, all these decisions along the way aren't necessarily final, but it's helpful to have an idea of where you all are, what your expectations are, and what you're hoping to get. I am going to say that there are always exceptions. There are cases where there's a need for emergency orders, where you need to be getting a restraining order immediately, and in those cases, go to an attorney right away. Those things should not be put off while you worry about gathering financial information or talking with your spouse. Feel free to call us at any time. You should be talking to more than one attorney. So make sure you find someone you're comfortable with. Make sure you find someone who has experience in family law, who can answer your questions and provide you with some direction before you make a final decision. As hiring an attorney in any divorce case or any family law case is a big decision and something that you should be comfortable about at the end of the day.